Hey folks, thought I'd just show you my setup. This is where I got my stuff set up at the Alexandria Fair. So I thought I'd give you a little preview of what I got. Over here on this rack, I got all my soft plastics. I'm trying to be quiet because people are setting up their tables and stuff. I've already been set up for a day, 2 days. But I got all my soft plastics on these racks over here. Then I got all my crankbaits here. I built these racks. These are the racks I started with. I used to do 3 tables. Have a table over here on the right, table on the left, and set all my stuff on these. And then I built these out of PVC. They got hooks on them. So.
Don't touch. No, don't touch. No.
I think bringing them up into eye level makes a big difference. At least it seemed to have for me. I do all my own packaging.
Did you hear her? Let it go.
Backer cards. I order the boxes. I got boxes, and then I got cellophane packaging over here. These are all my spinner baits, chatter baits, jig heads, buzz baits. So I bought these racks from Amazon, and they work extremely well. I'm really happy with them. Because I don't have to set the tables up and everything, and then since this is a week long, at night I just roll them in and close all my stuff in. I don't have to reset it up. So yeah, I thought I'd just give you a little preview of how I set my stuff up. I still got plenty of room for more stuff, but that's my setup. All right.